Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to take screenshot of whole screen, like a long screenshot on TECNO Pova Neo 2. Firstly, I'll go into settings, so we just are able somewhere to scroll, because we're going to take a screenshot of the whole page. Now act as you would like to make a normal screenshot, so press the power button and volume down button. And now just tap on this icon here. You can stop and you scroll to the end, and that's all. Now just tap on done, and now we can also crop, and then tap on this icon in the top right corner. If you haven't seen, this is the icon that I've just clicked, like with the little arrows, and that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.